Every 25 of these crackers has just one carb. Let's make them. To a food processor, you're going to add some almond flour and Parmesan cheese and blend those together. Then add a teaspoon of water at a time to those ingredients until you've got a crumbly consistency to them. Now you want to form a ball of dough out of those crumbles and then roll the dough out between two pieces of parchment paper until it's 1/8 of an inch thick. When it is, shape the crackers out of the dough with a pizza cutter and a toothpick. Now microwave the crackers, coat them with some baking spray, add the seasonings of your choice, and enjoy.